How likely is it that Putter will make this shot, Janine?
The probability? Well, he needs to get his shot past that pineapple windmill.
The windmill with 6 segments?
That's the one, Jeff. It has 3 segments covered that he needs to avoid, and 3 clear segments that he can get his ball through.
But what's the probability of him making the shot?
I'm getting there, Jeff. We can do a probability sum. We can take the number of ways that Putter can make his shot, which is 3, and divide it by the total possible number of outcomes, which is 6. So we get 3 over 6.
Ah, I get it, Janine. 3 divided by 6 is half. So we can say he has a 1 in 2 chance.
Oh, is it the windmill? Let's take another look.
Yes, the ghost kid changed the probability. He covered up 2 more segments, meaning Putter only had a 1 in 6 chance.
Putter is not happy.
Wow, somebody looks hungry. Oh, hey, don't mind us. We're just chewing some things over ourselves, like percentage. Percentage is a way to represent a proportion of a shape or a number, or even a dinosaur. Whoa, that's a lot of dinosaur. Percent means out of 100. Think of any measurement or object split into 100 equal bits. Each bit is 1% of the whole thing. We can use this idea to work out the proportions of this dinosaur's body. The dino's head makes up 5% of the length of its body. His neck is 25% and his tail is 30%. That's 60% so far, leaving 40% for its giant tummy. Oh, sorry, not so giant tummy. OK, to make a green dinosaur, we use a ratio of 3 to 7. That's 3 yellow dinosaurs for every 7 blue. Smashing. To help think about this as a fraction, we need to take a look at them all together. There's 10 dinosaurs and 3 of them are yellow, so you can say that 3 out of 10 are yellow, and 7 out of 10 are blue. When we say percent, we mean what share or what part of 100 that is. Nimble little guys, aren't they? Using the scale, you can see that the 3 yellow dinosaurs at the bottom make up 30%. And you can work out the remaining percent of blue by subtracting 30 from 100, 70%. Now let's mix them all together to make a big one. Wait for it. Watch out, he's a bit bitey.